7 Ways to make money from Instagram. Become an influencer. One of the most popular ways to make money on Instagram is by becoming an influencer. An influencer is someone who has a large following on Instagram and has the ability to influence their followers' purchasing decisions. Brands will pay influencers to promote their products or services to their audience. To become an influencer, you need to build a following by consistently posting quality content that resonates with your audience. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are a type of influencer marketing where a brand pays an influencer to create content that promotes their product or service. The influencer will typically include a call to action for their followers to check out the brand's website or purchase their product. To get sponsored posts, you need to build a large following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. You can use affiliate marketing on Instagram by promoting products that are relevant to your audience and including an affiliate link in your post. If your followers purchase the product through your link, you'll earn a commission. Sell your own products. If you have your own products, you can sell them on Instagram by setting up a shop on the platform. You can use Instagram to promote your products and drive traffic to your shop. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a product that resonates with your audience. Offer services. If you offer a service, such as photography or consulting, you can use Instagram to promote your services and find clients. You can use Instagram to showcase your work and build your brand as an expert in your niche. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a specialized skill set. Crowdfunding. If you have a unique idea or product, you can use Instagram to crowdfund your project. You can create a campaign on a crowdfunding platform and use Instagram to promote it to your followers. This can be a great way to raise funds for your project and generate buzz around your idea. Sell sponsored posts on behalf of other influencers. If you have a large following on Instagram, you can sell sponsored posts on behalf of other influencers. You can negotiate with brands and other influencers to create sponsored content for them and earn a commission for each post you sell. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a strong network of influencers and brands. Overall, there are many ways to make money from Instagram, but it requires consistent effort and dedication to build a following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. For more informative videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.